everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to convert singular nouns into plural nouns. Case 0. Adding s. Normally, the plural forms of nouns are formed by adding s to the singular forms of nouns. For example, boy, boys, girl, girls, pen, pens, desk, desks. Here, the letter S is added at the end of each singular noun. This is one of the ways to convert singular to plural. There are many other ways like this, including adding es, adding ies, and adding ves. Let's see the examples for these cases also. Case 1. Adding es. Nouns ending with s, sh, ch, or x form the plural by adding es to the singular. Examples are classes, dish, dishes, box, boxes. Here, the letters es are added at the end of each singular noun. Case 2. Adding ies. Nouns ending with y preceded by a consonant form their plural by changing y into I and adding es. Examples are baby, babies, lady, ladies. Here, the letter y is removed and the letters I, E, S are added at the end of each singular noun. Case 3. Adding ves. Nouns ending with f or fe form their plural by changing f or fe into v and adding es. Examples are thief, thieves, wife, wives. Here, the letter F is removed and the letters V, E, S are added at the end of the first singular noun. And the letters F, E are removed and the letters V, E, S are added at the end of the second singular noun. The nouns which follow these rules of conversions while getting converted from their singular form to plural form are called regular nouns. The nouns which do not follow these rules of conversions are called irregular nouns. Let me give you some more examples to make you understand irregular nouns. Woman, women. Man, men. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Person, people. Hope you understand. See you soon in the part 3 video of singular and plural. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.